Good morning, students, and welcome back to this recorded session. Today, we are going to learn something about the earthquakes, kids. What are all of them, kids? What are earthquakes? Well, my dears, in short words, it's a sudden motion or trembling of the earth caused by the abrupt of energy that it is stored in the rocks. It means inside the earth, kids. In other words, kids, we can say that the earthquake, kids, is the vibration of the earth produced by the rapid release of energy. Okay? Yes, my dears. Also, kids, we can say that the earthquake is the energy on all of the energy released radiates in all directions from its source, from the center, from the epicenter in this case. Movements that produce earthquakes are usually associated with large fractures in the earth crust called faults. But what are all of them, my dears? So imagine we have the earth in this moment here and we see it. So that cave, that layer that you see, kids, it is called crust. That crust, kids, it means corteza, and that crust separates, kids. When it separates, we have the earthquakes. Let's see something else about it. As I told you before, inside the earth there are three main parts. Firstly, we have the crust, then the mantle, and the core. But what is a crust, my dears? Well, the crust is a very thin layer of rock that makes up the outermost solid shell of our planet. As you can see in the video, kids, that is the mantle, and upper of the mantle it is the crust. But the mantle is the largest layer of the planet that it is composed by molten rock. The magnitude of an earthquake is determined from the logarithm of the amplitude of waves recorded by seismograph o los sismógrafos. The Richter scale is used to determine the magnitude of an earthquake, kids. The biggest earthquake's magnitude according to the Richter scale is the number 10. Okay, now kids, I hope you remember something. The biggest earthquake registered in Ecuador was on April 16, 2016. Yes, my dears, tons of people died and many of them received injuries. Now, kids, we see all of them, all the remains that happened after the earthquake, kids. All of these remains were in a city of Manabí that it is called Pedernales. Obviously, kids, if you go to Pedernales nowadays, so it is different. But when we have the earthquake, kids, it was very bad. The crust and upper mantle are broken into tectonic plates, kids. These tectonic plates separate, so those are part of the crust. When the tectonic plate moves, they create an earthquake. In that moment, the tectonic plates are creating an earthquake. And all of these faults, todas esas fallas, están vistas, and you can see it in this moment. Now, what happened in the cities? What happened inside the supermarkets? What happened inside the cities that are most populated? Well, this is the scale of Richter, kids. And with this, we finish the class. Thank you for watching the video and I hope that you like it. Goodbye.